have a 2015 Subaru here. Need some front struts. Not sure what symptoms it's having, just told I need front struts. So here we go. 5 19mm lug nuts. Very next thing you're going to want to do is start lubing everything up. We're going to need to remove these two. We're going to need to remove this. And this is where we're going to start at, because this is going to be the most difficult, right back there. The top three are always pretty easy to get to. So we'll let that soak in. We're going to try to do this the right way. It's a 17mm. There we go, you can barely get to it. And a 5.5mm hex bit. And for the center screw, like I said, I'm going to try it the right easy way first. Oh, let's just break it loose. Nope, not gonna happen. It's already rusted out on the center. Now, pretty much a good tip is if you're replacing the struts, just replace the sway bar links. It'd be so much easier just to cut them off, but they don't want those replaced. So we have to tear them up as less as possible so we can get this job done. There. Yeah, don't be lazy. Just do it the right way. It's 12mm for the brake hose line. Nope. If I wasn't filming, that'd come right off. Oh, okay. Now we're just going to take a 19mm wrench, lock it onto this top bolt, and same thing in the 19. Do the same for the bottom. And that's it. Just remember the top one gets the washer. Just kind of want to shake that one out.
take a sip.
And then yeah. Give it a little tap. It's in there. All right, really, that's it. You're done. You're done for the struts. Now we're just gonna go up top. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove 2, and the third one, you're gonna reach down there and grab it because it is nothing holding it. It's just gonna drop and hit the ground. Out with the old. Before I do in with the new, let's take a look. That's it. That's how you get the top part in. There's really no special way of doing that. So what I like to do here is take the jack and put it underneath the lower control arm. That way you can lift it up and, you know, get some good movement without you breaking your back. Take the fat bolt, because there is a difference between bolt sizes. Hopefully that shows it. So you're going to want to shove the fat bolt through the top, skinny bolt through the bottom. Just wiggle it all back and forth until it goes. There she goes. Now you will need a front end alignment after this. For this type of strut, you will. So yeah, now I'm not tightening anything up right now. Now I'm just gonna add this back. And then we're gonna put the jack up the car. There we go. That goes in nice and neat, or nicely now. And then I'll put back this 12mm bolt, and really that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one short because you get it, just tighten everything back up. Now, as far as the top 3 bolts, make sure you wait until the car is back on the ground because that'll shove the strut back through. I mean, you can easily tighten them up now, but once the full weight of the car is on it, sometimes these can get really loose and you don't want to take that chance. So once the car's back on the ground, tighten those top 3 up. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this video short. Hope you like the video. If you do, hit me a like, subscribe, and eventually I'll be doing more stuff on the Subaru. Actually, it's a big Subaru weekend for me. I've gotten like 3 or 4 videos already, all Subaru, so it seems like they're all breaking down this weekend. So yeah, check you guys out next time. Thanks for watching.